YouTube! So I haven't made a video in a while, and you know why that is? Because I'm a procrastinator. But hey, guess what? I've got finals coming up for uni, so suddenly making YouTube videos seems like a great idea. I'm going to fail. It's sad but true. Since I'm fairly sure I'm gonna flunk out of law, that kinda rules being a lawyer out of the equation, so my life goals, I guess, now are limited to professional hobo or crazy snake lady. Cause you know, crazy cat lady is far too mainstream. Come on, snakes, love them. Love them. I actually do like snakes, they're amazing, they're so cute. Don't you judge me. Hey, yeah, I can see you. You, right there, judging me. When I become a crazy snake lady, I'm gonna set my snakes on you, and what are you gonna do then? I don't even know what I'm doing. Yeah. I honestly don't know what I'm doing. I kinda just point at the camera, press record, and don't really have anywhere I'm going with this, because I just wanted to take a break from law. Because you know the 4 hours watching YouTube videos, working up the courage to start my law revision before my 10 minutes of solid work wasn't enough. But you know what? I think I deserve this break. You wanna know why? Here are my top 10 reasons why I deserve this study break. Reason number 1 why I deserve this study break. I, today, just worked a 8-hour shift. Come on. I need a break. 8 hours of being on my feet. Come on, people. Reason number 2 why I deserve this break. I have an 8.5-hour shift tomorrow. Drop my paper. Reason number 3 why I deserve this break. I don't have any more reasons. At all. Maybe I don't deserve it. I can so picture me looking back on this video in 2 weeks' time. Why didn't I spend that time studying? You know, this is why I'm gonna fail my test tomorrow. Why am I studying now? That's right, it's because I've given up all hope. Good thing that's me 2 weeks in the future and not me now. I've still got a little smidget of hope left, so I'm gonna go edit this video and upload it, which will make my internet like die, which means, I can't get distracted. Yeah. Yeah. Ciao!